Hi, Mikael. Kamusta?
Hello po sa lahat.
Nakabahan ka rin ba?
Hindi naman po.
Ay, ay, hindi sa akin. Sa video. And you pick question number 5.
Question number 5. Here's your question, Mikael. In your own point of view, do you still believe that the new generation, like you can still save the Mother Earth, and how? I repeat the question. In your own point of view, do you still believe that the new generation, like you can still save the Mother Earth, and how?
Thank you for the wonderful question. First of all, I still do believe that this generation can save our Mother Earth. One solution can be using the 3 R's, the reuse, recycle, and participating in our environmental process. And in this barangay, we have to clean our barangay because as we can see outside, it's very dirty. Our generation has a big job, has a huge job of cleaning our barangay. And starting in our barangay, we can clean our Mother Earth. Thank you very much.